I've got a few safety tips for you guys from the NFPA, the National Fire Protection Association. They want to make sure you have a working smoke detector in every room, have an escape plan in case of a fire, and remember the phone number to call if you ever need 911. That's close. What's that number? 911. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause for knowing that. 911. All right. You guys see this button that says alarm? I need a good job. Round of applause for knowing, everybody. Good work, man. All right. Go back to your seat. Now that alarm is going to get all of our volunteer firefighters to come running. We call this the big test. Are you guys ready for this? Hey, I want to hear everybody yell. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Hey, there's Marco. Wow, you're tall today. All right, no, you're not that tall. Use a ladder. Hey, there's Donnie. Everybody say hi, Donnie. Donnie delivers the mail in Funtown. Who's this guy?
Vern, reporting for duty, Chief.
It's Vern, our computer guy. Vern, don't even trip. I love that. Let's just do this. All right. Here comes Chet on the skateboard. All right. You got your Coachella ticket, Chet? Awesome. All right. Now let's see. We're missing Chef Basil. Has anybody seen Chef Basil? Does anybody know where he's at? Oh, there he is. Now slow down there. And there they are, ladies and gentlemen, the Funtown Volunteer Firefighters. Oh boy. Yeah, I feel the same way. Alright, let's make a little lineup right over here. Alright, we got a stroller joining us, that's good. Alright, come on over here. Marco, there you go, good boy. Good boy. Alright, let's do a head count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's Vern? Fall for that one again. I don't know who you think we are with it. Thank you. Vern, you're supposed to be out here in this line. Are you talking on the phone while driving? Oh, no, you didn't. Give me that. What kind of phone is this? Is that a BlackBerry? I'm going to count to 3. Help me count to 3, everybody. 1, 2. The force is not strong with this one. Did you hurt your nose? Ooh, you need the cloak of Bandaid? They saw the movie. Good. All right, let's do a sound off. Chef Basil. Achow! Dottie.
Ready.
Chet. Chet.
Cool.
Marco.
Polo, I'm here.
Very funny. And Vern.
That would be me.
Firefighters, you ready for the big test?
Ready to fight the fire-breathing dragon, Chief.
Great. Now there's a bunch of people here to watch, so whatever you guys do, don't get nervous. And before we begin, there's a few words of inspiration I'd like to share with you all. Ah, yes. I remember when I was a young firefighter starting out here at Funtown. Woo, that was a long time ago. I remember I had a really cool mullet. And our fire chief stood here and he said these same words to me. He said, "Brave firefighters." Oh! Everybody go, ew. The most important thing. Howdy do.
Oh, yeah!
This is the part we've all been waiting for. To the fire engine. Wait a minute. Wait. Freeze! Only one of you can sit there.
Mamma mia! There's so much we needed to know! Gotta be strong and smart.
Gotta be cool under pressure.
Gotta be fast, but safe.
Oh, how did I get into this? I'm afraid of heights. Boy, is everyone thinking what I'm thinking? Then we all know that moment will arrive. When we're all set up, equipment in place, the one and only Funtown Volunteer Fire and Rescue is on the scene.
Then what do we do? What do we do? Then we put the right stuff on the hot stuff. Would make that kind of fire. Cold stuff on the hot stuff. Gotta put out that greasy fire. Put the dry stuff on the hot stuff. Go on. If you smell some smoke, well that's no joke. Sound the alarm, let everyone know. There's fire in the house, it's time to go. Fire in the house, fire in the house. Get everyone together, no matter what the weather, and get out of that house now. Don't you girls call 911 from your neighbor's house. And listen to the sound, the siren sound. We'll make everything safe when we're around. We're the crew of fire and rescue. From Funtown, Funtown. And then we will put the right stuff on the hot stuff. And we'll put that fire out. Oh yeah, and we'll put that fire out. Yes sir, and we'll put that fire out.
Okay, everybody, I need your help. You put the wet stuff on the wet stuff, right? No? Okay, you put the hot stuff on the hot stuff, right? Oh no, what do we do?
Things look good. He's got pressure.
That away, Dottie.
Ooh, this is a good man. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Whoa! I think we got this under control!
Come on, Dottie.
I'm on it.
Chef Basil? What are you doing? That's what I like to see, fellas. Good support with the hose. All right, everyone, wherever you're sitting, make sure you stay there, okay? We don't want anybody to slip and fall. All right, let's go, Vern. Knock the fire out. Here we go. What are you doing? Get on the phone. Oh, that's the kid that didn't want to give you a second chance. What's wrong?
It's stuck.
Everybody remain calm. If the truck is stuck, then take me down.
That's a good idea. See, they know what they're doing. Minutes of training. You missed the fire. Hey, Vern, I think you should come down from there. Come down the stairs. Everybody scream! Vern, don't run in slow motion. That's not helping. Dottie, there's supposed to be a fire.